Hey guys, this is Sophia, and today I'm going to show you my slime. So I'm first going to show you this one. It's like a shimmery red one. So let me look at it. This is a good slime. And I got this at Costco, and it's actually a really good slime. Let's see. Oh, listen. I love doing that to slime. There's not a lot of slime because it is by Slime Goop. And it's like in little containers. My mom is over there making dinner. And yeah, let's go to the next one. So I'm gonna do this white one. Let's open it. Whoa. Okay. So this is it. It's really good and stretchy. I'm gonna move the camera a little. Okay, now let's hear it. What was that? Okay, so let's go to the next one. Now we're gonna do this purple glittery slime. It looks really cool. And I'm gonna open it. Okay, so the flash just turned on because it got a little darker in here. But yeah, okay, so this one is really good. Then I love doing this. Look. Then look how pretty it looks. The light. Okay, so yeah. Now we're gonna go to the next one. This is it. It's a pink one. I'm gonna open it. Ooh, this one is a jelly slime, I think. It said on the box. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out. It's really warm. A bunch of the sparkles are on there. And this one is really stretchy, except it kind of breaks. So, and then watch. I like looking at this. And yeah, there. We're gonna go to the next one. And now this one is like turquoise, kinda. Now let's hear it. Ooh, this one was good. I love this one, and we're gonna go to that next one. So, on the box, it says this one is a cloud slime, but it kind of feels like a butter. I don't know why they put cloud. And let's take it out. It's really good. This one is my favorite. So, if you ever get slime, this is a really good store-bought slime because I never get to make my own slime because gets too messy, and my mom does not like slime. But since I had my own money, I wanted to buy this, so I got it. Oh, you guys can't see. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera a little. Okay. We just decorated for Christmas too. It's really fun. So yeah, this is cool slime. Now we're gonna go to that next one. So now this one, the light turned on again. Well, this one is like a pink one. It kind of reminds me of princesses a little. And yeah, the mirror, the light is going really weird over there. Like, look, wait, you can't really see. Yeah. And since I don't have the stands, I'm using a towel to keep it up. Because, yeah. I'm gonna do this. And it's a really good slime. So, I'm gonna go to the next slime. Now, this one is this really cool blue one. I really like this one. Wait, it just broke. And I really like this one because, like, it's really stretchy and sparkly. Fix that camera. This one I really like. Mom's getting something from the fridge. And this I like. Coco. And yeah, this one I like. My dog is down there. I love slime. To the next one. You can see my dog over there. Let me show you guys. Coco. He's crazy. Well, let's get back to our slime. He loves watermelon. Coco! Hello? So I just got it better so you can see more. So this is the next slime. It's another sparkly one. I only got 2 sparkly ones from the set. It's real, oh shoot. It's really good. Okay, so let's see it. Stretch. How I like to. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, so I'm back. And I'm gonna do this like gold slime color. It's really pretty. Let's get it. And I have it. And look, so pretty. Ta-da. It's amazing. Did you hear that? Oh. Oh. That sounded so good. Hey, Coco. Down, down, down. Coco, down. Hey. Hey. Down, 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 down. My dog does that all the time. He's not allowed to, but he still does it. So let's get to the next one. Okay, this one is an orange one. I really like it. I accidentally mixed it in with a little bit of gold, if you can see. So, I can mix it. Okay, I love just like doing this. And let's go to the next one. So Coco kind of chewed this one up. So they're a little less than usual. And I like these like glossy ones. And it's, yeah. And it stretches really far out. And I can like do this better. What? Sorry about that. My dog was doing something. And yeah.
Pay attention.
Sorry. And this is the blue one. So let's go to the next one. The slime will come. To me, this one kind of looks like an Uma slime from Descendants because like it has like her colors like golden, green, and turquoise. To me, it looks like Uma kinda, like her dress and her hair. If you guys don't know who Uma is, it's on Disney, and Uma is a character from Descendants 2 and 3, and it's a really good movie. It's with Dove Cameron, and yeah. Let's go to the next one. This is like a glossy one. I really like the glossy ones because they make a louder noise when you do this. And yeah. And we're watching Home Alone right now, so that there's kind of like background music, something like that. And yeah, so I really like slime, definitely. To the next one. This one is by far one of my favorite ones. Wait, the camera. Sorry. Okay, this one has like, I put sprinkles in it, fake ones, and it looks really good. Look. I like that I put in the fake sprinkles because it just like looks cool. And yeah. I'm gonna try and do something satisfying. Okay, that was not satisfying. This one, right? Oh, that sounded good. Okay, let's go to that next one. This one is like a silver one. I really like it. I had this same one in a different set I had, but it got all ruined. Yeah. And this is, yeah, so I like my slime a lot. And I want a thumbs up so I can do more videos like this. Let's go to the next slime. This one is a purple one. Okay, I don't want the flash on. I don't know how to get away. So wait 1 second. Okay, there's no flash. Okay, and now this one is like a purple glossy one. I really like it, so let's hear it. Okay, I like this one. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one is like a really pink glossy one. Okay, let me fix the camera. Okay, this one is like a pink glossy one, and I really like it. And we only have 2 left to show. And I really like this one because it's like really relaxing, kinda. Let's go to the next one because I kind of want to speed up the vid. This one is the second to last, and this one has 2 colors in it, actually. This one has blue and purple. I really like it. And look at the bottom. And we get to mix it in. Let's mix it. And this is a really cool one. I think we didn't mix enough yet. But it looks really pretty. Like that Uma one I said it looked like Uma. That one was golden green. And now it looks really good because I already mixed it. Oh, that sounds so good. Okay, let's go to the last one. The last one is my favorite. My favorite, and here it comes. This one. So good. Listen. Ah, I love it. And it has all those crunchy little balls. And it's so good. I love just doing this, but then it gets all over the place. Ugh. Now let's do a little poop. If I can. Okay, I'm gonna pick up all those things. Oh my god. Yeah, gonna put it back in. And can you guys please subscribe and like this video so I do more like this? If I get 100 likes, I will do a part 2 mixing with this. There's stuff in this box that will be exciting, and I'll show it to you on the next video if I get 100 likes. Bye.